about hospitals and doctors and about medical care, I am perfectly fine.
So today is one of Wednesday, 15 plus hospitals. So what do you say?
I think it's a very brilliant concept, because we always forget that hospital is one such place where we never want to go, we fear, but that is also one place that saves us. That is one place that is our solace for a lot of our injuries or any kind of fear or any kind of health related things, because that is the solace, that is a blessing in disguise that is given to us and created by mankind. And now that we are getting this platform to honor them, for their facilities, for their services, I think it's a very nice concept, and I really support it in a very big way.
For the audiences, so जैसे आपने बोला कि बहुत डरते हैं हॉस्पिटल्स जाना, but still there are many problems which women face nowadays, but still वो हॉस्पिटल्स जल्दी जाते हैं, तो आप क्या?
मुझे लगता है कि अगर आपकी मेडिकल प्रॉब्लम है, आपको एड्रेस करना ही चाहिए. आप अपना धन दौलत या व्हाट काइंड ऑफ मनी, व्हाट काइंड ऑफ फेम, एवरीथिंग जस्ट कीप इट असाइड, बट लेट मी टेल यू द बिगेस्ट wealth that we can accumulate is good health. And honestly, let me tell you, my grandmother was 95 when she passed away without getting into any sort of hospital or any kind of medical issues, only because she believed and that health is very important. She took care of herself and she had a beautiful life that way. So मुझे बहुत सारी औरतों को, जिनको भी जो भी थोड़ा सा केयरलेस हैं या केयरफ्री हैं अपनी हेल्थ को लेकर, प्लीज़ मत रहिए, बिकॉज आपके हेल्थ पर ध्यान देना बहुत ज़रूरी है. और हॉस्पिटल्स, यस, हम बहुत फियर करते हैं बिकॉज ऑफ कि हम नहीं जाएं, मगर फिर भी वो एक ऐसी जगह है जहाँ आपको क्योर मिलता है, जहाँ आपको हर तरीके की फैसिलिटी मिलती है आपके हेल्थ को और बेहतर बनाने के लिए. सो प्लीज़ जाइए, अगर इतनी सी भी दिक्कत है, प्लीज़ एड्रेस इट राइट नाउ.
Thank you. So what are your thoughts on this great, beautiful initiative by Midday?
First of all, I would like to thank Midday for inviting me and honoring me with the award, which is Fitness Icon Award. And at the same time, more than that, I would like to give a big thank that with all the senior doctors, I'm sitting and gaining my knowledge, and it is very important, the right awareness which I am listening right now. And as I say, half knowledge is also very dangerous. So what I observe in the society, that they have about the fitness, they have very half knowledge. They think that if they don't eat, they'll become slim and beautiful and all that. But it is not. The right awareness is very important, and I'm very grateful that I'm here today, and it's a very big initiative.
Today Midday is going to participate more than 50 class hospitals. So
congratulations, Midday, and it is, as I said, it's a very big initiative, and I would like to give big congratulations to everybody.
What are you going to say to the audience जो आजकल जल्दी हॉस्पिटल जाने से डरते हैं, on the remote areas, उनको क्या मैसेज?
मैं उनको यही मैसेज देना चाहूँगी कि बहुत ज़रूरी है सही टाइम पर आपको पता हो कि इन केस कोई डिज़ीज़ है, कोई कुछ बीमारी है, कुछ प्रॉब्लम है, तो आप लोगों के लिए बहुत ज़रूरी है कि आप राइट टाइम पे जाएं. हॉस्पिटल जाने से डरने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है. मैं भी हर साल एक अपना सारे टेस्ट करवाती हूँ, फुल बॉडी टेस्ट, विच इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, कि अगर इन केस कुछ है तो वो पहले ही टाइम पे पता लग जाए और हमें उसका राइट ट्रीटमेंट मिल पाए. सो प्लीज़ जाइए, और एवरी ईयर सारे टेस्ट, फुल बॉडी टेस्ट होने बहुत ज़रूरी है.
Yeah, it's a great initiative by the media and Midday, and if you can increase the awareness about the preventive aspect of various diseases, it will help the mankind and the society at large. It will also reduce the cost of healthcare, and for patients it will become more affordable. So this kind of initiatives are welcome, and it should be more in public domain. Thank you.
अब इस initiative
you very much. I represent the Asian Cancer Institute. I'm very happy with this overall experience. The way the entire exercise has been conducted, I'm very happy. It is truly a recognition of the work which the entire team does in our field, and I think Midday is a leader in that. It's a very well patronized newspaper, and such recognition actually gives us more encouragement to continue our work and probably improve it further. Message is very simple: live well, live healthy, avoid bad habits, do a little exercise, sleep well, minimize your stress. You can't eliminate stress, but minimize your stress. Have regular health checkups and treat them immediately. Have a checklist and identify where exactly will you be treated if at all you are sick, and never forget your health insurance. Thank you.
Thank you.
First of all, congratulations for the award.
Thank you very much.
What you will say about this initiative by Midday?
Oh, I think it's a very good initiative that Midday has taken. It's an initiative which will benefit not only Mumbai, but I think it will be splashed across Maharashtra and most probably all over India. So therefore, there will be a lot of people who will actually benefit enormously by such a program. It's a very bold and a very powerful initiative, and I'm very happy that Midday has taken the step forward to do this. Thank you.
It really means a lot to me, Fitness Icon Award. As I said, fitness is very important, and they considered me as a fitness icon. So thank you so much, Midday, for giving me this award. Thank you.
I think the doctors on the panel gave fantastic advice. Follow it. I think it's a good initiative. It gets people the right advice. They know where to go, what not to do.
What do you feel about this initiative?
So I think it's very, very important for the country to know the real benefits and the programs going around in the country regarding healthcare, regarding mental health, regarding physical health. Everything is very, very important, and I think thanks and kudos to Midday that they organized such an awareness-based event. And it was great listening to all the top doctors of the country and the life that they have dedicated to save lives and to be there for us. So I think it's a very, it's an honor to be here and to hear the cream of the country talk about the medical industry.
So ma'am, आप जितने हमारे वुमेन्स थे और यहाँ जितने लोग थे जो कहीं ना कहीं थोड़ा सा डरते हैं हॉस्पिटल जाने से या रेगुलर चेकअप कराने से बहुत पीछे रहते हैं, उनको लगता है अगर हम चेकअप कराने गए तो कुछ अगर निकल गया तो फिर हम कैसे उसको सर्वाइव करेंगे, कैसे हमसे डील करेंगे, आप उनसे क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
See, I think सबसे important saying है डर के आगे जीत है. So we should definitely get things done, like how recently the cervical cancer thing was going on. Like now I think country is aware regarding the vaccination of it, and women should get, and even I think men face some problems sometimes, the papilloma virus or something. So I'm just only hoping that people go ahead and get more regular tests done, because you never know what is underlying, what are the dormant diseases that you carry, and it is always better to diagnose it before it's too late. So like you say, prevention is better than cure. So one should go past that fear of needles, injections and tests, and definitely get their checkups done.
Welcome to Midday Hospital Survey Awards. आप इस initiative के बारे में क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
This is a very incredible initiative. I think people need to be aware of what's happening in critical care treatments, what are the latest trends, and I think Midday has really is doing a good job by creating awareness.
What about the audiences? आप audience से क्या कहेंगे? कैसे अपने आप को fit रखना है? कैसे खुद की help करनी है? Because nowadays अभी काफ़ी जैसे अभी सर्वाइकल कैंसर की बात करें, सर्वाइकल कैंसर के बारे में पता चला, नॉलेज हुआ, बिकॉज काफ़ी लेडीज़ को पता नहीं होता है, बट थ्रू वन नेगेटिव थिंग एक अच्छी चीज़ बाहर आई है, तो आप उसके लिए क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
So I think regular checkups are extremely important. One, awareness regarding own body, whether you are trained in medicine, not trained in medicine, basic knowledge about one biology is critical. and I think that's a very important factor. Second is lifestyle. I can't stress it more. I mean, it's such a overused term, but lifestyle change and having a healthy lifestyle, I think that's critical to having a good health.
I think this whole initiative is a fantastic thing that Midday has done. I think increasing awareness is a continuous process. It needs to happen. It needs to happen continuously over a period of time. From what you said, I think this whole India doesn't have this mentality yet of doing an annual health checkup, and the criticality of it can't be understood enough. So that is something that we as a society need to imbibe, especially people over 40. That's in Western countries it's a given that you have to do an annual health checkup. It's just one easy way of just keeping ahead of maintaining good health. People take it far too lightly in India, but that's something that we should kind of imbibe as a natural thing to do. Keep up the good work. Fantastic. We are very, very impressed with whatever initiatives you have taken, the way you have executed it, and hands off to you.
Yeah, this is very unique initiative that Midday has taken, and I would like to appreciate Midday and thank Midday to identify Solaris Hospital as a unique non-corporate hospital in central suburb as a best neurology services. So I would say that this is not just about the big corporate hospitals which are there in the Thane and Mumbai, but also the small hospitals and which are serving the patient has been identified. The Solaris Hospital has been the only non-corporate hospital in center Thane and Mumbai to provide the services of neuro navigation, that is computer guided brain surgeries for the patients at affordable costs.
How do you feel about this initiative?
Yeah, the team is really excited hearing this, and the combination which has happened today morning, the survey is already released, and we are going to get the certificate today, and the team, the entire staff, the consultants, everyone is excited.
What sort of advice you give to our audiences, which कहीं ना कहीं थोड़ा सा लगते हैं वो हॉस्पिटल्स जाने के लिए उनका केयर करते हैं, बट हॉस्पिटल्स जाके रेगुलर चेकअप्स नहीं करवाते, इसके लिए थोड़ा सा वो फीचर है, आप उससे क्या
उसमें अभी I would say the awareness is coming up more. Plus Section 80D के मुताबिक गवर्नमेंट ने भी टैक्स exemption किया है, तो health checks का penetration is actually coming more, and you can actually see the trend during Feb and March, कि 31 मार्च तक ही वो exemption ले सकते हैं. Yes, हम लोग भी काफ़ी corporates में health check awareness interactions रखते हैं, then उसमें भी staff motivate होके they coming in.